Scott doing at MarineMax of Dallas. And we're standing here inside a brand new Sea Ray 19 SPX. So 19 SPX has been an incredibly popular boat for us for the last few years because it just does everything so well. Nice big swim platform on the back, nice sun pad. You do end up with a built-in cooler underneath your back seat, as well as storage underneath the side of it, and good storage on the side of your engine. The new engine, it's a 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower V6. Great engine, makes the boat pop up on plane in an instant. Great for towing kids on the tubes, the skis, anything like that. Bench seat on the side that can be changed into a forward-looking seat. So all you do if you want to sit forward, this cushion flips underneath, goes underneath, that way you can sit here facing forward. Nice in-floor ski locker underneath your snap-in, snap-out flooring. Good storage in the passenger side helm area. And nice wide bow seating, and plenty for 3 adults. Non-skid going up the front as well as on the very front of the bow. So if you pull in front ways into a dock, you can just go out the bow instead of having to go out the back. This boat also has a folding water sports tower on it, as well as a in-dash Simrad Go 5, which is going to give you forward-looking nav, chart plotting, downscan fish finder, depth finder, all of that good stuff you'd come to expect out of a top-rate in-dash system anymore. So it's a great boat. We sell a ton of them. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other ones we have in stock, pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop in the showroom. We look forward to talking to you soon.